योगर्ट, हनी, कॉफ़ी, ग्राम फ्लावर, टमाटो जूस, लेमन जूस और क्या, ये सारी चीज़ें तो किचन में मिलती है ना. सो व्हाट इज़ द वीडियो अबाउट? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to make mask out of yogurt. Okay, so whatever mask we are going to prepare, all the masks are going to include yogurt in them. Also, this is the first time that I'm going to use yogurt on my face because I've never tried yogurt on my face. So I'm super excited to see what results I'm going to get and how my skin is going to react to yogurt. Okay, so also before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's start with the video. Also, I was going to make this video into two parts because I'm going to make cleanser, scrub, face pack, like two types of face pack. So it was going to become a long video, but then due to some reasons I got caught up with some work and therefore I couldn't make two videos for this week. So I just made one long video for the entire week. And yeah, so let's start. Before starting, let me tell you all some benefits of yogurt. Like, it contains zinc. Zinc is a mineral which is very useful for your body. It also reduces acne. It helps to fight acne basically. Then it contains calcium, which makes your skin glowing and again prevents acne. Then it also contains vitamin B, which enhances blood circulation. Protein makes your skin soft. Also, it helps in skin hydration. So if you have very dry skin or if your skin feels very dehydrated and chapped skin, then protein or the yogurt is very beneficial for your skin. It makes your skin very much hydrated. And yeah, so these are the some benefits that I found of yogurt. Also, there are various benefits that are available online, so you can go and check out. Hi guys, so now let's start with cleansing. So for cleansing you just need plain yogurt and that's it. So what I have done is I have taken 2 spoons of yogurt, 2 spoons of plain yogurt, and that I'll be applying on my face. Okay, so I've put the yogurt on my face and I'll let it settle for 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes and then I'll see you guys. Okay. Hey guys, so I'm back and it took like more than 5 minutes for the yogurt to dry, and now I'll be rinsing it off with the sponge. Okay guys, so can you all see the difference? My skin is actually glowing and yeah, it's really glowing. Okay, so cleansing is done and now the next step is scrubbing, and for that you need 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon coffee and 1 teaspoon honey, and that video I've made it on my Instagram reels, so go and check my Instagram reels for the yogurt scrub. Okay. So once cleansing and scrubbing is done, it's time for facial massage. So for that you need few amount of curd, then few drops of lemon juice, and you need to add turmeric. Okay, तो टर्मरिक डालते वक्त एक बात का ध्यान रखना है कि ज़्यादा टर्मरिक यानी हल्दी नहीं डालना है, वरना आपका फेस इट विल बिकम येलो. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू एड ओनली फ्यू पिंच ऑफ अ वेरी स्मॉल पिंच ऑफ टर्मरिक. So this is how the mixture looks like. Okay, it's very pale yellow, and now I'm applying it on my face. So we have added lemon juice in it, तो थोड़ा सा it will, it will become, it will burn on your face, okay? So you need to bear it, but not much. Okay guys, so it's finally on my face, and yeah, we'll wait till it dries and we'll check out the results. So turmeric has various benefits, like it prevents your skin from acne, it gives glow to your skin. Also, if you have any fungal or bacterial growth on your skin, तो वो उसको भी खत्म कर देता है, and it exfoliates your skin. So there are various benefits of turmeric. Also, lemon has various benefits, like it lightens your skin. So when I say lightening of skin, I'm not saying that it makes you fair, because I'm not supporting anything called as racism. So I just mean that if you have any tan on your body or on your skin, so it reduces the tan, okay? And if you have like blemishes and dark spots on your skin, तो उसको भी reduce करता है, okay? So that is the most important benefit of lemon, and therefore I recommend lemon, or to consume lemon or citrus fruits in your diet, and hence I've put lemon in the face pack that I've applied. Hey guys, I'm back and I've washed my face, and my face hasn't become yellow. That means I've added the right amount of turmeric. So make sure that even y'all don't add excess amount of turmeric, otherwise it just become like very much yellow. So make note of that. And yeah, I'm feeling very glowing. My skin is feeling very much glowing and fresh. Okay guys, so now it's time to make the face pack, and that would be the last face pack of the day. So for that you need 2 spoons of tomato juice, few spoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of gram flour or besan. So guys, the face pack is ready, okay, and now I'll be putting it on my face. Pack is on my face, and it's a little bit watery because I feel I've added honey and this tomato juice. That is why it's become a little bit runny. But then yeah, I'm not feeling any burning or something like that, like the previous mask. And yeah, so I'll make it dry. Until then, I'll just clean up the mess that I've created in my kitchen, and I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, I'm back after rinsing my face, and I hope you all can see the difference. Yeah. So I would recommend this mask for y'all to use it at least once or twice a week, because they're super effective. You don't have to go to the parlor to do your facial or use some harmful chemicals on your skin, because after a few years or after a few days you see the negative results of it. So I think using natural and cheap ingredients can work better for your skin. So yeah, and also before putting this mask on, I didn't do any pre-preparation. I just washed my face with the normal face wash that I use, that is a Pond's face wash. And yeah, that's it I had done. And then I directly applied this mask on my face, and that's it. So even you guys can do it, and you all can let me know how did it benefit to you all. So quickly I'll tell you all the benefits of the ingredients that I've used. So coffee, it enhances blood circulation, it helps in exfoliation. Like I told you all, coffee scrubs are very useful and I personally love using coffee scrubs. So yeah, so coffee exfoliates your skin. Also it makes your skin smooth and bright. Then honey fights acne and it also helps in exfoliation. It is a good moisturizer. It has anti-aging properties and it also opens clogged pores. So if you have any dirt that is trapped in your pores, then it opens the pores and makes your skin super smooth and healthy. The next we have is tomato. So tomato removes dead cells. Okay, तो आपके स्किन के ऊपर जितने भी dead cells होते हैं उसको निकाल देता है और जो भी बैक्टीरियल ग्रोथ होती है उसको भी वो फाइट करता है. Then also anti-aging properties. So yeah, if you're in your 30s or something and yeah, if your collagen levels are decreasing or something like that, then tomato is your savior. Also gram flour has various properties, like it helps in fighting acne, it absorbs excess of oil in your skin and makes your skin very soft. Yeah, and also helps in detan and removes blemishes that are there in your skin. So yeah guys, this is the list that I was referring that I've made. Okay, and I hope you guys like this video. So if you like the masks that I've used and if you all find them beneficial, please let me know in the comments, and you all can also let me know on Instagram. You all can tag me on Instagram, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also please subscribe to my channel because I post every week. And I'll see you all guys very soon. Bye.